I'm Michael Liebreich, and this is Cleaning Up. And I've just been in Australia to film our first ever deep dive. From the cable tunnels beneath Sydney to the Australian Parliament building in Canberra, I've had 9 fantastic conversations, bringing you right up to date with the energy and climate debate in Australia. We'll be hearing from guests like Chris Bowen, Australia's Minister for Climate Change and Energy. Are you the lightning rod in the same way?
Yes, I am. And often climate ministers are. You know, we compare notes. We go, are you the most controversial person in your cabinet? Oh, yes, probably I.
Lily D'Ambrosio, Minister for Climate Action of the state of Victoria.
The cheapest way to transition our ageing fleet of generators is more renewables, not less.
And David Pocock, former captain of the Australian rugby team and independent senator for Canberra. So you're looking at me very quizzically.
Well, I'm just so sceptical of these AI companies. I mean, what is this race? It's to replace human labour, ultimately. And so what does that do for a country like Australia?
New episodes of our Australia Deep Dive will be released every Monday starting June 29th. Make sure that you don't miss any episodes or any of our regular programming by signing up to our newsletter at cleaningup.live or directly on Substack.